Oh yeah, let's do it.
I think you ain't seen it since it had 612s in it.
That's why I couldn't.
Amps back here. Yeah, I done changed it all up. I ran out of time.
Oh yeah, you good. As long as it works, you know.
If you need a hair trick video, just let me know. I can get it.
Okay. You want one later? Hold on, get back in.
Watch your hand on that door panel.
Okay.
Again, I ran out of time. I couldn't bolt it down.
Oh, you good? What you run there, man?
4 XV3 15s on 2 cab 45s at half ohm each. It's 3 different chambers. That's why this one's sealed off, because I didn't get recombs and whatnot in time.
Yeah. As long as we made it to the show, the important thing.
Right. But it's got a crazy bandwidth.
You still got your AC in here, I noticed. Yeah.
This is 25 to 62.
Yeah.
I got so many hoes on me,
It did play along in wide range though. Yeah.
And I mean, it's
just barely starting to warm up out here.
They're getting warm.
It ain't bad. It ain't bad at all.
Smell it.
It's not as bad as I smell all day.
Right.
Here you go, Kev. I got you.
Yeah. Appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
Man, let them know where they can find you on social media.
I ain't really set mine up fully.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna try to tag them down below, man. It's good seeing you, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thanks, man.
So you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for you.
I ain't got no avatar.